Nobody could tell me this is not my hair, like, for real. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amanda. If it's your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And yes, this is a wig. I know it's hard to believe, guys, but this is a wig. Okay, you are at the right place. It does say on the bottom, wig review. This is a new trend. Well, it's not even new because it's been happening since like July, August, but I'm new on this trend. Headband wigs. Yeah, so if you guys want to know the details to this natural ass hair, keep watching. This is the headband wig from Myqualityhair. The specs are, this is 18 inches, 150% density, and I got it in a color number 1. Okay, so nobody could tell me this is not my hair, like, for real. This is 4C, 4B hair. This is my hair. For real. Super thick. Like, could put it up in a ponytail. Let me put it up in a ponytail real quick. Okay, so this hair is everything. Like, so I got this hair in this box when I received it. I received it in a DHL package. Got it in this cute pink box, and it says Myqualityhair. And it came in this cute pink bag. This is Myqualityhair. It's super cute. And then it came in like this plastic bag inside the bag with a mesh around it. But I've had this hair for about a week now. I love it. It's easy, quick and go. You just saw how I put it on. It literally took 2 minutes, if that. Like, I love it. Don't have to deal with lace. Don't have to deal with anything. I am not the best at edges. Clearly, y'all could see that when I was trying to put it on. However, it doesn't matter because this hair is literally my textured hair. It's not like I'm trying to blend it in with some type 3 or straight hair. This is my hair. Like, I didn't even need to for real lay my edges. Like, when I go to work through Zoom for meetings, I don't have to lay my edges. I could just put this headband wig on, don't have to worry about lace, don't have to worry about nothing, and it looks like my natural hair. Okay? So, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. I don't know what else to say, guys. This is perfect for like bae's coming over real quick. I'm trying to look cute. It also came with this headband, by the way, and it came with this white headband. So I like this because it's thick in the back. If I can show you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like thicker in the back and then it's skinnier in the front. They make it like skinnier in the front. So thicker in the back, skinnier in the front. So it works when you want to put your hair in a ponytail. I kind of put it in a sloppy ponytail this time, but let me show you guys the back. So it looks natural, guys. Like, you need to get one. It was $174. I'm gonna put all the details on the description box below. This is my first time ordering from this hair company. And I'll definitely order again because it's really, when I first got it, I washed it with silicone mix and yeah, just silicone mix. I didn't even, yeah, I shampooed it with Acai. No, not Acai. Aussie shampoo. You get that at Walmart for $5 for the big bottle. And then I put silicone mix on it, conditioned it with silicone mix, and left it on there for about 10 minutes. And the curls were popping. After I had it dry, I wet it a little bit and I put mousse on it. I have some olive oil mousse in my other bathroom, but yeah, I like this hair. Let me put it down again so you guys can really see the curls are popping. I kind of like it in the side part. I didn't really like it in the middle part. But guys, it's affordable wig. I think it starts at $85, so it's not bad. I didn't really drench it in water when I put water in it, so it's kind of like drying up now, but this is afro hair. Beautiful curls. Sorry guys, I was getting a phone call, but these are beautiful, guys, like beautiful, okay? Super cute. So 10 out of 10 so far. It's been a week. There is like normal shedding, like it's kinky hair, so there's gonna be some shedding. Like, I've been running my hands through it, so okay, this is a bit, not as much as, but like this is for me just like having my, ooh, don't pay attention to my nails. Okay, this is like it's not that much, especially I've been running my hands through it all day. So yeah, 10 out of 10, guys. Check out this hair. Great quality, definitely quality hair. It is definitely good quality. It's very soft. The curls are very, how do I say? It just feels very moisturized. And I love it. So 10 out of 10, guys. Please like and subscribe this video, and I will catch y'all in another one. I'm gonna do another headband review. I'm obsessed with these headband wigs. I'm gonna do another headband wig review for a cheaper wig from Amazon. So check that out after this video. Yeah, see you guys in the later one.